Hey, Mad Money fans, check the bottom of your screen for an exclusive offer. Next.
Before we get to the lightning round, there's something really exciting that I want to share with you. The reason it's so special is because it's just for you, our Mad Money viewers. Now, look, I know you always hear me talking about the community that is the CNBC Investing Club. For just a few days more, I'm going to share a little taste of the work that I do with Jeff Marks during the day, and it's going to be a bargain for you. Today in our online morning meeting, for instance, that's at 10:20 a.m., and it's exclusive for club members. The market was drifting toward what we said would be a successful retest. So what did we do? We said it was time to buy. We bought 3 names that we really like. It was a tech, a household product company, and industrial. Sweet. We read the tape, took action real time, got it right, told you to do it ahead of us, of course. Now, I think this stuff is so pertinent to your daily life, especially if you're watching this show, that I think you got to be educated to it. You got to be a better investor, and this is what happens if you join the club. So I'm going to do something very simple. I'm just going to say, look, this is only like a couple more days of this thing. Grab your phone, open your camera, point it to the QR code, or go to cnbc.com/Jim offer. And now it is time. It's time for the lightning round. Because everyone's all over the buy button. Play this talk. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with William in California. William.
Hey, Jim. How are you today?
William, I am doing well. I came out hot today. What's going on?
I need some help with my stock, Astronics.
Well, you know, Astronics is in aerospace, and right now Boeing is pulling them all down. I wore a Boeing hat and shirt this weekend, absolutely did nothing. I think the Boeing numbers have to come down because people are worried about airlines now. So after that, it's time to do some buying, but not yet. I would hold on to Astronics. Let's go to Lewis in Texas. Lewis.
Hello, Mr. Cramer.
Lewis, what's up?
I have a rising stock that I've held for many years. And now for several years now, it's stayed in the red.
Well, you know why? Because it hasn't been that well run. I mean, I know T-Mobile's good, but T-Mobile's had the run of the joint. But that's important because these guys aren't good enough. And I think that it's time to start thinking about, I don't know. I mean, if I were on the board of directors, let's say this. I would have to do some hard think about what's going on. Bjorn in Washington. Bjorn.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Go back and hats off to your birds.
Thank you. I appreciate that. What's up?
Yeah. I'm thinking about ARM. Does it have legs?
Okay, you buy some ARM now and you buy some ARM below 50. I think Renee Haas is terrific. I like the company very much. I do think the tech rally is going to reignite, and that is a very good stock to own. I like the fact that they're partners with NVIDIA. Let's go to Kyle in Florida. Kyle.
Booyah, Jimmy C, long time, first time. Thanks for taking my call.
I'm glad you called. What's going on?
Looking at a biotech company down big off earnings misses and a recent review, but it's come back multiple times from this level and lower. Do you have any bullish feelings towards Novavax?
None whatsoever. Let's go to Dan in Arizona. Dan.
Hey, Jim. I've been working on expanding my knowledge to become a smarter investor, and among my resources are CNBC and your show. So thanks for having me on.
Thank you. Thank you.
My question, GE Healthcare, the fundamentals...
It's finally happening. The sellers have wised up. Maybe they joined the club. The knucklehead sellers who have no idea how good this company is, just check out in Japan. You have to have so many MRIs in order to get these anti-Alzheimer's drugs. It's all going to be right to the bottom line of GE Healthcare. The stock is a buy. It's coming back. It looks like it's headed to 75. Hunter in Florida. Hunter.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Oh, how are you?
Very well, sir. Yourself?
Not bad, thank you.
Absolutely. Here with my buddy Budshaw, we're wondering on a 12-month forecast for Marvell, should I add to it, sell it, or
I think Matt Murphy is doing a terrific job. I think they've got a tremendous product. They bought this optical product. It is killer. Matt is a tough competitor, and the answer is... Now we're going to Jonathan, Pennsylvania. Jonathan.
Booyah, Jim.
Go Birds.
Club.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
I love your self-deprecating humor when you joke about your
Well, look, I'm a masochist. What can I say? I've been since I was 1 year old, and they left me in the playpen. What's going on?
Me too. I can understand you perfectly, you know? I mean, after Eagles win, you go home, you eat a hoagie, you drink some water, right?
Yeah, well, you know, after I get some gas and I have a soft pretzel, usually on Valentine's Day, but watch the payment. We have a lot of strange words that we say because we're largely incoherent. And Merry Christmas to you. All right.
There you go.
Got that
Thanks
over
for all you
with.
do. Thanks for the laugh. Hey, you've had the GlaxoSmithKline CEO on your show, who's very impressive.
Dame Walmsley, she's done, I'm telling you, they have done so many right things in vaccines since she was on last. I applaud her. Oh, man, we got to get cut off. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Coming up, is low unemployment not all it's cracked up to be? Americans are working, but the deck may still be stacked. More next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.